Yo, yo, yo. What is up? What is up? Hello, Gryffindor. How do you do? I am just going to continue what I was doing last stream of just setting up the redeems because, I mean, I might as well, right? Like, I got the thing, might as well do it. Oh, wait, quiet me. All right. So let me wait, I didn't switch it for the other one. Wardo. Cool, cool, cool. Move that to the side. Fix this up. All right, let's keep going with the redeems because I'm pretty sure, ow, there isn't enough right now. Ow. Okay, okay, okay. So I got the blood test. I had like what is it called? A Band-Aid, but it was already coming off, so I just took it off then and I ripped off some hairs, which was unpleasant, but it's fine, it's fine. Alrighty, so what redeem did I need to do? Let's have a look. So we have the anvil. We have music. What else am I needing? You know what? Let's move this to the side. Let's just test it to make sure these are still working. Yep, that looks like it works. Um, what about music? Interesting. Doesn't look like it's facing the camera. What's happening here? I might have to calibrate it. Might need to calibrate it, I mean. Calibrate. Okay. I think that's better. I think that's better. Um, so what else should we add? We have the anvil, we have the music. We need to add pleasant face. Pleasant face. Definitely not freaky face. Okay, I'll just call it freaky face. Um, so we will add one, rename it, call it freaky face. Okay. So we will grab a WebSocket action, and that needs to do what? We need to have the character and affect a blend shape. So we'll go character blend. Where is the character blend shape? Aha, there we go. So we go like this, we select the character, we go to blend shape, and we go to which one? Which one? Face. And that should. Yo, Jay, what's up? What's up? How do you do? How do you do? We got you and Gryffindor now in the chat. Um, I'm basically just setting up some of the redeems because I'm doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I'm very tired, so I don't think I'm going to be doing a long stream because I was up already and I've had a blood test, so I'm I'm some mils lighter. But yeah, just setting up the redeems. And naturally, one of the most important redeems that we'll need is Freaky Face. There we go. So now let's grab a delay. Delay. Put it into here. Freaky, yeah. Who doesn't love Freaky Face? We'll make it 7 seconds. We'll copy this one again, go like this, and make it 0. So the idea is that when the thing happens, it will trigger here. It'll go Freaky Face for like 7 seconds, and then it goes back to normal. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. All right. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to go into Twitch and I'll have to do what? I'll have to apply another redemption, redeem, reward, whatever you call it. So we got to create a dashboard, and then view rewards, power ups, yeah, power ups. Wait, no, rewards, no power ups. Yeah, manage power ups, and then we go to the bottom and we add a new custom one, and we'll call this freaky face. The cost will just be 1 for now because we're just testing this stuff. And then we'll make this one. Whoops. What the fuck? What? Oh, you you redeemed it. You redeemed it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, it crushes the head with the anvil. I got rid of the ragdoll because the character disappearing wasn't that as good. So I thought the lattice and squishing the head was funnier since you could actually see the result. Yeah. So that one's not really finished yet. I want to have the like little Teto like pictures as a particle effect. So I want a particle effect that just spawns a bunch of faces of Teto coming out of it with that one. So that one's not done, but I wasn't able to set up the particle thing in what is it called? In Warudo. I have to do it in Unity, so that'll have to come later. Another sort of what is it called thing I want to do is have the what is it called? Have the oh wait, no worries, no worries. I'll explain later. I'll explain when you get back. Okay, let's just set this up. So we want a brown color, right? Yeah, I probably should have copied the hex code. Oh well, too late now. And what do we want to do? It's called freaky face. Let's do underscore freaky face. I don't really like the full thing. Underscore makes more sense. No, actually, maybe not. Actually, no. Fuck the underscore. Fuck the underscore. This ain't a program. Like, this ain't a function. We don't need to do that. We will add a cooldown limit to it. Wait, yeah. And that cooldown limit will be. We'll just do. We won't do a cooldown. We'll just say limit redemptions per stream 10 and per user 5. And then okay, create. So that creates the freaky face. So now that we have freaky face, we need to be able to go back to StreamerBot, I believe, and create a new action for that. So we will add, call it freaky face. Okay. Add Twitch. Channel reward redemption, go down, freaky face, okay. And then we'll just copy sub action, paste it to this one, and then we'll just change the code to have a different sort of action name, and we'll just call this freaky face. Uh-oh. I think I might have messed it up already. Probably did mess it up already. Let's just make sure this compiles. Okay, compile successful. All right, let's go back to Wardo. Let's make sure this works. So we have freaky face. I'll go to Twitch we will go into, where is it? Where is it? Down here. Scroll down, freaky face, add, and redeem. Didn't do anything. Why did I not do anything? Oh, I didn't name it. My bad. There we go. Let's try that again. Go over here, click that, creaky face, redeem. There we go. There we go. So if anyone has taste, they can redeem their points to bring out that beautiful, beautiful face. Cool. So that's that one. What else do we need to do? We need to have the characters that are, what is he called? That are teammate. See, this is going to be an awkward part because how am I supposed to have it switch characters but not switch? Because Freaky Face won't work on the one that teammate. So what happens if someone tries to redeem it? See, that's the problem. Is that someone tries to redeem it, it's going to create an issue because it just won't work. I don't know. Like, we could technically add Freaky Face to the ones that teammate, but that's not a good idea because I don't want to have to like whenever I make an expression, I don't want to have to like have to add it to multiple fucking avatars. So it's not a really good idea. Hmm. I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out later. Let's just add it for now. It's only costing 1 point, so it shouldn't matter. Um, and let's look at the blueprints. So we'll make a new one. We'll name it to what was that? What is it called? Eichmann? Eichmann? Is that how you spell it? I don't know. Eichmann? Eichmann? I don't know. Eichmann model, whatever. Whatever. We'll go into Blender? No, we need to get the thing over here. So we'll copy that, paste that there, and then what we want to do is that we need to character. Let's look to see if we can toggle character. So this is expression. Look at, disable IK, enable IK, get character pipeline, blend shape, bone positions. Why are there bubbles? What do you mean bubbles? What are you talking about? Anyway, what's up? What's up, cheap? How you going? How you going? Not gonna lie, I'm not sure what you mean by bubbles. Oh, channel points. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have channel points now. Hooray for that. So, if you kindly look down to the chat and click on the channel point thing, you should see some rewards. And if you test them out, you should see a result. I'll have to look into it if YouTube has something similar that I can use to equip it. Worst case scenario, I could manually just. Yeah. Wait, you only have 300 points? That's crazy. What's his name had like way more. He had like Nexus had like 600 points. Damn. Nexus got more points than you down. No, it's not cooldown. There's a limit to how many times it can be used per stream. So I set it to 10. Just because I don't know. I just set it to 10 during the testing phase because I'm still trying to test stuff. I'll turn, I'll turn it up. Okay, I'll turn it up. I'll turn it up. It doesn't take me that long to turn it up. Let me, do I hate, I don't control the points. I don't even know how they work. Like, I don't know why you have those points for Nexus. It just sounds like a skill issue to me. Um, Make it unlimited? I don't think you can. I literally don't think you can. That allows you to, maybe. Oh, cooldowns and okay, actually it does. It does seem like there's a thing. What I'll do is I'm gonna put a cooldown. I'm gonna put the cooldown for minutes, just because I don't want people spamming it like 24/7. Like it might get a bit much. So it gives me minutes for cooldown, so I'll do a 1 minute cooldown. Actually, can I do less than a 1 minute cooldown? What if I go like 0.5? Does it let me do that? No, it doesn't let me do that. I have to do just one. Oh well. Jesus Christ, my McDonald's gave me a palm-sized chicken leg. Okay, okay. And there goes Jay redeeming the you really like that anvil one, don't you? You really like that anvil one. Releasing some pent-up aggression, huh? Is that it? Chicken leg? How do you get a chicken leg from McDonald's? Oh, I guess they do chicken legs over there. Oh, I guess in Thailand too they did chicken. They don't really do that in Australia. It gives me a chance to be close. Well, I'm glad you can have that fictional thing, you know? Because obviously in real life that would never happen. Because you're appreciate me too much to do something painful like that to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course. Freaky face. All right. Let's try get the Eichmann model working. Um, how do we do that though? Because we need to switch a character. You can make it happen. Let's I'm not sure what you're referring to, so I'm just going to assume it's nothing you know, nothing that involves a physical threat. How do I set a character? Maybe a change? No. Character set. Bone material. Huh. I'm confused. I'm very confused. How do I set a character? Oh, that reminds me. Another redeem I wanted is your is the fucking skeleton thing you keep talking about. Like the skeleton shield bash. I'm pretty sure I could turn that into a redeem. Just have my character do the rah 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 thing. Though I need to find an FBX of the animation data because it's from Skyrim, right? So worst case scenario, I could maybe find make it. How many points is that? God, I need commas. 900,000 points. Yo, T, what's up? What's up? Welcome, welcome. I don't think I can do that. I don't think there is an Ikemen. I mean, no, I mean, freaking character change in the blueprint. Huh, I'm confused. Set character. So I'm basically just working on the redeems at the moment, T. Trying to get them working. I'm trying to get the character switch one working, but I don't see a node that allows me to what is it called? Change a character. Get asset. Find asset by name. What does asset reference mean? It gets an asset. Hmm. There has to be something, right? So we have toggle expressions. We have rotations. Look at disable IK, hands, IK. Oh, I don't know if I'm ever gonna get used to saying that. Okay, yeah, I can't see it. Huh. Play one shot. Toggle character meshes. Maybe that's what I want. Oh wait, no, that's the individual meshes. Oh, actually, maybe what I could do. Wait, what does the Eichmann model look like again? I need to have a look at that. Oh, it's Eichmann, not Eichmann. Okay, probably have to fix that. Looks like that. Hmm. What I could do potentially is have all the mesh just be one character and upload all of it. And then just enable and yeah, freaky. See, that's the problem, right? With having it switch to this is that freaky face won't work on this model because this model doesn't have a freaky face. So there's no blend shape for this one that's freaky face. So it won't work. That's another issue with trying to switch this. Is that right, T? Is that right? I'm just trying to think. How do we make this work? How do we make this work? How do we get your character in? I guess I could just always have it loaded in the scene and then just like switch to camera view. So instead of loading a character, we just change the view camera to something else. The only problem with that is that means we constantly have the character loaded, which might be heavy on performance. But you said it was only like 27,000 polygons, right? So maybe that won't be an issue. Yeah, I think that's just going to be the easiest way to do it. I don't think there is a way to yeah. Let's just switch this back to the test export and we'll make a new character and then we'll just make the things change the camera position. Oh, you guys don't hear it. You guys don't hear it. Fuck. I don't have wait. You guys don't hear the music. Let me set the music up. Let me try to do the music one again. I can't. Reward is on cooldown. We'll be back. What? It's a global cooldown for everyone? Oh my fucking god. God damn it. I missed Gryffindor's message? Did I? No, I didn't. I said hello to Gryffindor when I started the stream. And then I even referenced him when Jay was here. Yeah, like yeah, that didn't happen. Um, what was I doing? Oh, we're setting up the camera. Oh wait, no, we're testing the redeem send highlight message. What does that mean? Close. Oh, that is not something that I created myself. Okay, that seems like that's already like built into Twitch. Okay. I didn't do that one. Okay, thanks for that anvil. I appreciate it. Okay, hopefully you guys can hear the music this time when I do this one. There we go. There we go. I'm pretty sure you guys heard it. I saw it in the channel, so unless it's just really bad and still messing up, you wouldn't have heard it. But I'm hoping you guys did hear it. So we'll just call this close. Okay. Then we'll rename this one to Close Eichmann. Close Eichmann. Make Freaky Face have a creepy laugh. I mean, I could do that. But let's just wire everything up that we currently have first. But I'll consider it. I'll consider it. So this one needs to have this one. So why can't I see myself? Okay, because I'm like inside myself right now. Okay, let's move me over here. Imagine if the points cost them real money. Yeah. No, actually, it's a scam. They've costed real money this whole time, and now you're all indebted to me. It just is what it is. Got him. Let's make a new camera. So we'll call this camera close, and then we'll make a new one, and we'll call it camera Eichmann. Rename camera Eichmann. And then let's have this one orbit the character, except we wanted to do the other one. Too bad I only use $1 worth. Alright then. No, no, no. One channel point is equal to what is it called? $1,000. So yeah. Jay's in debt right now, but it's fine. I'm sure he'll be able to pay it off one day. Okay. Let's go to blueprints. And then what we'll do is that we'll have a camera. Um, camera. Loose head. Okay. Well, I'm glad you managed to find a silver fucking lining there, Jay. I'm glad you managed to find a silver lining. Switch main camera. I think that's the one that I'm looking for. So we'll just make the main camera this one first. And then we're going to copy this one. And I'm going to go to this one. And then on transition end. And then this one here. I think that should be enough. So this will switch it over here. And switches. Oh, we need a delay. Um, I mean, it's only 10 seconds. It's like 7 seconds. So I'm hoping 7 seconds is enough. And why does Tenno have a 50-second cooldown? Because it fucking does, alright? Okay, we don't want. I'll take the audio off of YouTube and then I'll get rid of the cooldown. We'll get rid of the cooldown. Don't abuse this, guys. Don't abuse it. They're gonna abuse the shit out of it. Save. Okay, I'm pretty sure I saved that now. Shouldn't have any There shouldn't be any cooldowns. All right. Famous last words. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, okay. Brilliant. We need a delay. It's breaking. I don't think it can handle it. I don't think it can handle it. Yeah, I think if you spam the Teto dance, it can't handle it and it just stops. I think it just kills the character. It just doesn't know what to do. Wait, this is data flow. Whoops, I don't want data. I want okay. This surely won't give anyone a fucking headache. I don't know what's more gonna have headache, the music playing and spamming or the constant anvil. We'll call this Ike. I'm just gonna call it Ike. I don't know how to type the full. I can type the full thing, whatever. Let's just test to make sure this is working. Look, I'll dance myself. There you go. There you go. No, don't need channel points to do this. Just make them expensive. No, but then won't be able to bash my head in. He's always dreamed of doing that. Honestly, I'm surprised Cheat isn't doing it more, considering how often she threatens to hit me over the head with a bat. Okay, so that works. The problem is that then it doesn't actually apply to the other character. We should be able to get it to apply to the other character though. We might not be able to get music on stuff, but we should be able to do the other ones. No, I don't really like to switching to camera, dude. It's sort of an issue, isn't it? Because then I have to do a whole bunch of complicated stuff to get the other shit working. I don't want to do that. Hmm. If I go back to these ones, it does it on character, right? The problem is that if I try to put the character name in here and then it does it during the see that's the thing. There's still going to be overlapping issues. Characters, source. I need to be able to change the source of a character in the blueprints. Character animation. Oh, there is one. There is one. No, it's not. It's an output for a string. That's not what I want. Because if I grab this one, see, that doesn't work. It 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 doesn't work. Like this is the problem with having multiple models. It just makes everything so much complicated. This is why I didn't want to have to use different models. Man, a freaking hit all of a sudden. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? How do we make this work? The problem is like, what does the skeleton look like? Do they even have the same skeleton, or is it T when you adjusted it, you adjust the length of the bones with the character? What did the characters look like next to each other? They might have the same height potentially. They, I don't think they do. Maybe. Yeah, I don't think they do. Maybe not. Maybe so. T might have made him taller, but it's hard to tell because he has freaking legs bent. Let me see if I can lean back. Maybe he didn't make him. Maybe they are the same height. Okay, if they share the exact same skeleton, this I could just do an asset change instead, and it could cause. Yeah, all right. Let's open Blender and let's import these two models. So I'll just leave it like this so you guys can still fuck around with shit. But we're going to go into Blender and we're going to drag in the Eichmann model and the normal model and we're going to make them part of the same character. I think that's just going to be the easiest way to deal with this. So we'll go over to Blender now. Blender, Blender. Okay, delete that, and we'll come over here. We'll get the thing, and we'll blow our nose. Oh my fucking god, there are ants on my ginger beer. I gotta fix this. Be right back. And I'm back. I have returned. Thank you, thank you. I also grabbed myself a chocolate brownie as well because fuck it. Why not? Yum yum yum. All right. Let's import the fucking what is it called? VRM. Hmm. I could. But then also I could not. And I think I like that idea more. Hmm. Where did I place this? It'll be in VRM, right? It should be. Character? Yeah. No, test export. Open that one. And then we want to open up the. Did I seriously not put fucking the other one in this folder? I don't think I did. Maybe it's in my downloads then. Oh my god, what is it called? What is it called? I don't want. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Close remodel. Yeah. Let's cut that and put it into the VRM. No, yeah, VRM photo. Yeah, paste that. So that's the close one. File import. And we will help you. Thanks. Exactly. In order to think faster, you need to be more optimized with your way of thinking. And what better way to make something more optimized and compact than just crushing it together? Genius. All right, this brownie's too rich. I can't finish it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I've had like a quarter of it, and I had to stop. Then a quarter, then I have to stop. Right. Okay, okay, okay. So we've got it in, and this is the wrong one. This is not the right one. Fuck. This is not the right one. Okay, let's go back to downloads. Let's just search downloads for VRM. It's not here. Fuck, I must have moved it. Damn it, past me. What the hell? What the hell? Where the hell did I put it? Oh, bro, I'm just gonna download it again. I'm just gonna download it again. I can't. Oh, I'm not logged in. Discord isn't on my computer right now. Let's fix that. Be so nice that the channel point can get from other channel. Is that right? Did you use all your points already or something? No, there's no way. There's no way you used all your points. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Of course. Um, I need to go to T. Where is his Google Drive link? This one. Download that. Cut that. Put it here. And then we'll go a new file and just re-import it again, I guess. Uh-oh. Okay, I think it's fine. File import. Here we go. Here we go. I don't know. Does anyone have any other ideas for potential redeems we can do? Because so far the only one I have in my mind is to do the what is it called? Is to do the skeleton shield bash one. Yeah, this the raw raw. That's the only one that I sort of that I'm thinking of doing. Make you bold? We could do that, couldn't we? No, that's actually not a terrible idea. We could do that one. Yeah, and I could do that right now. That would actually be pretty easy to do. Or just board on top and slide up. No, no, let's just commit to it. Let's just commit to it. Okay, I got the file. Let's go over here. So import this one, open, file, import, VRM, Eichmann? Yeah, open. Holy shit, that takes forever. Oh, you know what? Shit. Is that, what did he do about the hair? Actually, I didn't consider that. No, I think T might have done something different with the hair. Maybe, maybe not. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm, I say. What do we do? Yeah. See, this is the problem. Like, the nose is in a different location. Is it because it has a different height? Maybe not. What about the fingers? Now, the fingers seem to be in the same spot. No, they're not. Hold up. No, that one seems longer as well. What about down here? That seems fine. Because we can't have both skeletons. We need to delete one. So we're gonna just delete this skeleton for now. Uh-oh. That might have been a mistake. Oh no, it's fine. We need to just make sure we parent it to the new skeleton. Oh my god. Work, I say, work. To Amateur. Amateur to that one. You know what? Let's get rid of the random mode. It's causing it to slow down, I think, because of all these fucking modifiers, bro. Why are there so many modifiers? Jesus Christ. I think they just do the outline. So I think this is like an outline for every single strand of hair or something. So I think that's what's causing that issue. Let's just make this have a parent. Where's the parent relations? Parent, amateur, parent, amateur, parent. No worries, no worries. We're just trying to get some stuff to work. I think it's fine. Maybe. I don't know, dude. I don't fucking know, eh? Regardless, while we're here, we need to create a freaky face. So what we'll do is we'll come here. Yo, what is up, top notch Ashu? Where are you going? Ash, uh, Ayush. I think I got that. I think I got it. Maybe. S- What? So to give you you're probably wondering what I'm doing here. I am sort of just fixing up some redeems and stuff for Twitch and that. So I'm trying to merge two different. Thank you, Jay. Thank you for the demonstration. So this is one of the redeems I added, and now I'm adding another redeem where it changes the character to a different style. And this is a character that someone in the chat, T, made. When you think of your texturing, I mean, it's all right. I don't know why you really like this type of eye. I don't understand how this works. There's like so many lines here, but besides that, I think it looks good. But let's add a blend shape because we need to give this one a freaky face. So I'm just going to call this face. Yeah, yes, I'm going to destroy his model, but it's necessary, okay? It's necessary. You cannot escape it. There needs to be a freaky face. Um, how about that? I think that looks good. Yeah, I think that'll do. I think that'll do. Yo, what's up? Oh God, I can't say that. Oh shit. How do I say that? What is up? How you going? How you going? A what? Oh, it's the guy from last time. Yo, yo, yo. How you going? Welcome, welcome. I am just setting up some redeems and stuff for Twitch. And yeah, I'm trying to merge different characters together right now. I thought he ghosted you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just no, no, no. He's like Batman. He shows up when he's needed most, or Superman, or whatever, whoever that expression is for. Bro, show me your best work. My best work. Um, that would be a little awkward to show you your best work now. I mean, I do have like a YouTube channel with a bunch of videos of that. So, yeah, I don't know. It'd be sort of awkward to do that right now because I'd have to like search through the files and stuff. I'll show you one thing potentially. Give me a second. I'll export this and then actually let's save this as. I'll save it as in case this breaks. Oh yeah, this is my best work. This character I'm using right now. I spent a whole 5 minutes in VRoid making it. It was some of the most stressful 5 minutes of my life, you know? All right, let's save this thing. Where do we want to save it to? Comms? No. We need to save it to the VRM folder, right? And we'll call it merged. So we'll make a new folder and we'll just call this one merged. And then we'll just call this merged, the blend file. And then we'll try to export this as a VRM. Now, I'm very confident it might fucking error out. I'm very confident it might not work. But we'll have to see. We will have to see. I mean, that's if it actually saves. Blender? Okay, there we go. So what we can do is we'll grab this, file, export, and we'll do as a VRM. And then we'll just call it merged as well. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please. Please. Please, for the love of God. I don't want to have to figure this out. Your calluses suck so bad right now. Really? Don't, I thought calluses were supposed to like, you know, you're supposed to get used to them or something. Like I thought that's like, something that you get used to. Like, if you pluck the guitar strings, you get the calluses and then they doesn't hurt anymore. I see. I see. Overplayed the bass and you still haven't sent a song to the Discord. I see how it is. I see how it is. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, enough fucking bullying cheat. Let's go to the cut the calluses. Do not do that. That is a terrible, terrible recommendation. Never do that. Why would you cut them? What? Maybe you're mistaking it for blisters? I'm not sure. Even then. Okay, let's go to Waradosine. Waradosine. And let's see if this actually worked. So we'll go to this, we'll just use this Eichmann one. Oh wait, we have to go to the data folder and drop it in there. Okay, never mind. Let's move it over to the data folder. So we're going to merge, grab the VRM, copy that, go to characters, and then paste. Blam. Your old artwork is very smiley face. I'm going to assume that means you like it. I'm glad you like it. I wouldn't necessarily call it old. I have a bit of a thing against that word for reasons. But you know, I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. Damn T. You just gotta hit me while I'm down. All right, let's see if this merge works now. Did that work? Oh wait, I have to switch to this one. Okay, well, it's sort of working. That being said, top notch. Do you do any like 3D stuff and like that? Do you have any projects that you're working on? You know? Okay, we might have to hide some of the things now. Jay, I don't think you can cut calluses. Yeah, I don't think you can. I think he might have been a mistake. I see, but sometimes I peel them. Jay, I don't think that's a good habit. I don't think that's a good habit. How do you peel them? Damn. If I send playing, where do I even send it? I don't know, just send a general or something. No? Were you like learning to do anything 3D like that? I don't know. I'm just trying to, sorry. You don't have to answer if you don't want to. I'm just trying to do the good old conversation thing. Yeah, I have a lot of people who join who are like interested in doing stuff as well and making things. Like Jay, for example, in the chat has made avatars and shared it on a Discord before. He's pretty good. He's pretty good. Um, okay, so it seems to have loaded. Yeah, you got praised. Well, why you have a broken heart cheat? Like, I don't understand. Where do we go? I think we can go into, actually, you know what I think I can do? Let's just confirm that it actually works first. You only draw sketches. Oh, that's fine. That's cool. I mean, drawing is good. I don't do a lot of drawing, but I am trying to get better at like painting stuff, like the 3D painting. I'm still not amazing at it, but that's something I'd like to improve. But I'm pretty lazy and I tend to do the cell shaded stuff a lot, just because it's a lot faster than trying to paint gradients and that. It also hurts my hand, like spending hours and hours just painting and painting. It's it's not. I don't think I really like it too much. I think cell shading is something that I think I enjoy more. Let me think. Painting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's painting. I don't know how people can do it when they can draw for hours and hours. If I'd like draw for like fucking 15 minutes, I start to get cramps in my hand. Let's get rid of the switch to the main camera because I don't think that's what we want to do right now. We need to be able to set the character meshes. So we'll type mesh, toggle character meshes. There we go. So if we select the Eichmann one, and we do these three, and then we do this. Oh, whoops. I didn't export it correctly. I didn't export it correctly. Whoopsie doozy. Oh yeah. Yeah, I do a little bit of coding sometimes, but I normally do vibe coding because I'm just lazy and I don't like thinking. You should check. Oh, someone that you could meet in the chat that you might like is Nexus. He's good at coding. He does his own stream and he does like he's coding his own like overlay and stuff like that. Where are you from? I am from the great land down under. Hopefully you know what that means. Hopefully. I'm gonna have to re-export this without the blend shape enabled. Let's go back and re-export. Under the sea? Yeah, yeah, I live in a fucking pineapple. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got me. Huh. Why did this not work? I don't understand. I didn't have it enabled. Strange. Very strange. Okay, let's see if we can toggle the face shape. Face um actually we'll go blend shape. Blend shape. Yeah. You're from India? Cool, cool. I've met a bunch of people from India. So that's cool. I haven't ever been there. Maybe one day, but I don't know. I'm not much of a traveler. I'm not much of a traveler. Where is the blend shape? Damn it, see this is a problem. I don't like the way that it lists it here. I wish there was like a commonly used one or more recently used sort of one, just so I didn't have to go back so much. I think I'll go to freaky. Here it is, set character blend shape, and then I can paste it here. And we'll go to this Eichmann one, and we'll see if it has the face enabled. Hmm. Damn it, it's not working. I don't understand. Why does it not turn it off? Damn it. Why won't it just work? Why doesn't anything ever just work? Why? It's not fair. Hold up. Unless, unless Discord. Oh, they trying to use on a bass, which is an old traditional Japanese playing thing. Interesting, cool. Do you want to invite? Sure. I'll do exclamation mark Discord. This is the Discord if you're interested. Hopefully the invite works. Oh wait, it didn't work. Why didn't it work? Oh, that's right. That's right. I freaking I had to reinstall StreamerBot, so it doesn't work anymore. Damn it. Mistakes have been made. Your favorite anime series. That is 100% ReZero. ReZero is the best. No debate. No debate. There's a lot of other people out there that have their favorite anime, and they're all just wrong. They're all just wrong. But it's scary. Yeah, I mean, you're not wrong. It is pretty scary. Um, Let me play this. Wow, that's loud. Okay. I don't know if Cheat would want this to go over the stream, so I'll just mute myself temporarily so I can listen to it. And then while I'm muted, I will quickly just, it's only for like 2 minutes, but I will do what? I don't know. I will try to get this, I'll try to re-export this. So be right back, 2 seconds. And I'm back. I'm back. That was pretty cool. Yeah, it definitely sounds like a bass. Very nice, very nice. It's interesting, interesting. I got a little freaked out in the middle of it because the fucking chain with the anvil with the boom in the middle of it. I was like, what the hell was that? How does the bass make that noise? And I'm like, oh wait, no, that's just a it's just to redeem. It's just to redeem. But yeah, no, that's really cool, Cheat. It does. It sounds pretty good. Though when you had the thing, when you said you were waiting for like the wah thing to arrive, I was expecting to hear more of that. I was expecting to hear like a wow, wow, wow. It's still not arriving? Oh, okay. Okay. Sucks to be you then. Yeah. I'll let you in a little secret. When I say your guys' music taste is bad, it's normally a bit of an exaggeration because I'm just acting stuck up for the fun of it. Um Let me think. What was I doing? The link to the Discord. Completely forgot about that. Mistakes were made. Damn it, damn it, damn it. How do I do that again? I always forget. Invite to Discord. Maybe it's this one? Whatever. Maybe this will work. Send. Blam! I don't know if that will work, but if you're still there, Notch, and you wanna look at the Discord and listen to Cheat's bass playing, there you go. There you go. Um, what is it called again? It's called Merge. There we go. Okay, it doesn't look like it's broken this time. That's a good sign. See, I don't know why it was broken the other time. I didn't even have the. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Let's just activate this one. That looks good. I don't know. I don't know how the points work. I wish I knew. I wish I knew. Yeah, don't. That was not my intention. I was just. Does that mean points are only worth one stream? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't think so. Because I'm pretty sure people save them up, right? And they can bet them and stuff. Damn, bro, I can't wait to turn my stream into a gambling into a gambling ring, with the point streams. I'll just um I'll just make the Eichmann model be like 1 billion points and force T to have to like just bet against everyone and you know, steal all their points just to be able to see it once. That'll be it. That'll work. You get points based off your stream, and also if you sub, you can get a multiplier. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. We'll get rid of this, and we need a delay again. Delay. Now, I'll make the delay longer later, but you should put the Discord link in the description. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I don't know. I normally like being able to be like, blam, here you go. But I don't know. It also makes it easier to know when someone's joining. If I like give it to them, that means I can be prepared for when they join the Discord and be like, yo, 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 and give them a wave like I am now. I totally didn't forget about that and just make that up on the spot. Yeah. No, actually, no. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it now. If I don't do it now, I'm gonna forget. So I'm just gonna do it now. Here we go. Edit video. description, go to server. We will, how do I do it again? This one, up here. Up here, invite to server, copy, and then paste, and then save. Blam. And just like that, we have done it. Cheat, why did you give him the freaking terrifying fucking... What is that character called again? Mo something? I forget. Okay, I mean, is it not Mo? I mean, isn't the whole point of the game is that she's just a forgettable side character that you can't even romance? Oh, Monica. Yeah, Monica. What's her face? Yeah, yeah. The the character that gets upset that they're just a side character that isn't part of the main story. Yeah. Why do you and Jay think it's creepy? I think it's inviting. You think that's inviting? The fucking the just staring at you, just waiting, just like looking at you. I don't know. It's creepy. It's creepy. But I always do that. Well, I think it might be some time for some self-reflection then, if that's the case, you know? You know, it would explain a lot. It would explain a lot. But yeah. Okay, let's change the I'm gonna actually disable this character for now. And then for this one, we're going to enable transparent background, just so it's not, you know, a massive pain. And then we'll come back to this thing and let's test if this works. So actually, let's just do this one first. Oh, that didn't work. Uh-oh. Why is that not? Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, wait. Do you come from a land down under? That I do. That I do. That I do. Wait. So if I hit that, it works, and if I hit that, it's nothing. And now it's fixed. And now it's nothing. And now it's fixed. Okay, so that's them both at the same time. So let's disable them. So that means that this one is the Eichmann. So that should go on this side. And this one is the non-Eichmann, which is this one. Which means we have to turn off this and then turn this on and then turn it off and then turn this back on. So that's what we're going to have to do if we want to do that. Okay. Do you know all the lyrics of the song? No? No? What do you mean? Why would I, THT? Why would I? Come on, come on. I don't think I know the lyrics to all the lyrics to any song. I don't think I know all the lyrics to any song. Wait, let me just redo this. So that turns it off. It's like the Australian national anthem. Bro, it is not. It is so not. Okay, let's try this. Ready? 3, 2, 1, click. And now after 7 seconds, it should switch back. There we go. Okay, that seems to be working the way it is. Cool. Now we just need to make the redeem for it. Now we need to make the redeem. So we'll put this into here. Yeah, the anvil's still going to the other model. I'll fix up the other ones shortly, but we just need to link this one up first. Your money got scammed. Yeah, your whole 1 point. Oh no, whatever shall we do? So let's add a new. You know what? I should probably show StreamerBot just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So we'll go to StreamerBot. You're going. All right, see ya, top notch. Thank you for showing up to the stream. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you again. Till next time, buddy. Ciao, ciao. Okay, so let's add, and we're going to add what? We're going to add what? Uh, Eichmann. Blam. There we go. There we go. That was a lot of thinking for a single word. Okay, now we'll go to Twitch. Channel reward, redemption. We need this to be. Oh, I haven't created the redemption yet. Please stop eating apples. What? What are you talking about? I'm not sure what you're talking about, but I'm just gonna say never. Because, yeah, never. I'll eat apples to the day I die. Every time you wipe you. Oh my fucking god, bro. Cheat! Cheat! What the fuck is that? You know what? Deny. Deny. Not letting that comment through. Not a fucking chance. An apple away keeps a doctor away. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what you're on, cheat. I'm pretty sure you like why are you talking about apples? I can't even imagine a context where that makes sense to say. Add new custom reward. Make it red. I mean brown. Call it Ike Men. Um, Cost will be one, and then create. Okay. And now we can go back to StreamerBot. Eichmann, okay. Yeah, I didn't bring it up because it's definitely not something I should have typed out. Okay, okay. Okay. What? So I don't see. This is the thing that confuses me is that you're like, whoa, 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 stop eating apples. That is a crazy thing. I apologize for saying that. But yet you wrote that other thing that I had to deny. Yet you wrote the other thing. Very interesting set of standards, I suppose. Just, just that's all you have to say for yourself. Yeah. Of course, of course. All right, let's go to sub action. We're going to call this Eichmann. We're going to save and compile, and we're going to go back to Warudo. Um, oh, it seems like it worked. Neat. Now we have to fix up everything else because it's not set up to Eichmann. So we'll start with the Anvil one. We'll switch it to yeah, okay, we haven't okay, calm down, wait up, wait up, wait up. I still need to set the things. Still need to set the things. So character type is scene object? No. Character. Eichmann. Okay, does that okay, that one's working now. But the lattice isn't working because the lattice isn't attached to the right thing. So we'll send this one, attach it to Eichmann, and let's see if that works. It doesn't. Hmm. Doesn't work. But why? Attached to close Eichmann. Huh. Maybe I need to remake the shape key. Okay. Let's delete the shape key. We'll make a new one. Oh wait. And then we'll edit. It's not working. Why is it not working? Oh, I see. Okay, that'll have to do. Oh wait, no, I should probably turn it off. It probably shouldn't be on one by default. Let's turn that off. There we go. And then let's us test this. What? This didn't work. Huh? There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, are you sure? It looks like it's working to me. It looks like it's working to me, Jay. Let's go to music now, and we need to adjust it to Eichmann, to Eichmann, to Eichmann. Let's see if this works. It doesn't. Oh, because it doesn't have a animation layer for this one. Okay. So we need to add an animation layer to this guy. Add, and we'll make the Teto Dance 1. Come back to here. Teto Dance 1. Teto Dance 1. Generic, it's fine. It's still not working. Hold up, let's go back to this one. Oh wait, so this is enabled and nothing's happening. Uh-oh. That's not good. What if we switch this from generic to, I don't know, fucking sexy pose? Okay, so it is rigged up. It is rigged up, so that's working. Oh, we could, oh, that's something we could do. Redeems to change the pose. That's something we could do too. Okay. Let's, let's just go to generic for now. Then why does the Teto dance not work? Nothing seems to work for this. Oh, because I'm masked. Bunny outfit for 40K. Bunny outfit? Fucking no. Bro, 40K does not sound like that much. If you get like 1,000 just for a single stream, then that's 40 streams. And if I stream like almost every day, that means it's like not even 2 months and you'll get able to put me in a bunny outfit. I don't think that's worth. I don't think that's worth. Yo, Jan. Welcome, welcome. Right in time to talk about fucking bunny outfits. How much will it cost? I don't know. I don't know. Like I'm honestly I don't know if I want to do a bunny outfit, bro. I don't think I want my character to have a bunny outfit. So what I'm doing right now, Joan, is I'm just setting up a bunch of what is it called? Um redeems for Twitch. Because I got that working now. So I'm just hooking everything up and I don't know. I'll figure out how to deal with it with YouTube another time. Because sorry, YouTube people, but yeah. YouTube doesn't have channel points, so yeah, I can't really I'm not sure how to deal with that. I might be able to like manually set up points, but I'm not sure. You need to see your hairy shin hair? Don't make fun of my hairy shin hair, man. I think that's the last thing anyone needs to see, okay? I think that's the last thing anyone needs to see. Okay, cool. That seems to be working. Let's now test Freaky Face. You're learning about data transfer? That's cool, that's cool. You it's always good to do data transfer. You can do it for like normals and vertex groups. Yeah. If vertex group's important too, because if you like it's normally used too for like clothing, right? If you have like a base that's already rigged and modeled up, then if you put clothing on top, doing like a weight transfer, um, helps with the rigging, so you don't have to do it completely from scratch or rely on auto weight painting, which doesn't always work. So it's definitely something that's pretty necessary to learn, especially if it's something like that's tightly fit, like a shirt. Like that, you like doing that from scratch is such a pain. Doing a weight transfer is definitely the way to go with that one. What was I doing over here? Freaky face. So the problem with Freaky face is that we can't just set the blend shape to one character. So we'll have to set it to both characters. So we'll copy that, and then we will use sequential, like so. And hopefully that will work for Freaky face. So let's just hit this. Oh wait, no, we have to set the character. So this is close, and this one is for Eichmann, and they both want to use the face. Oh wait, no, it's the same character but different blend. Okay, yeah, so it's both Eichmann, but what we want to do is to take the blend shape, and we need to set a different blend shape. So this is for face.001 face, and this is for where is it? Face normal face. Okay, face and face. Cool, now let's test it. Hit this. Freaky face activates, very nice. And then it should turn off. Nice. All right, now let's go back to the Eichmann model. We're going to change it from 7 to like 100, just so we can more properly test it. So we'll switch it to the Eichmann version. Test the anvil. Okay, that's good. Test the music. That's good. and test Pricky Face. And that's good. And that's good. Okay. It seems like it works. It seems like it works. The hair. Oh, you're right, the hair. Let's set up the hair. Okay. Um, Let me just save the scene so I don't have to do this from scratch. Save scene. Can't wait to get started on the second version of Model. I think it should be much more professional looking with what I've learned. Yeah, I mean that's always the fun thing about doing it a second time is that when you like when you actually know what you're doing, you can do things a lot better. It's always annoying when you're learning it for the first time and and you sort of see all the mistakes as you're going through it, and it's just like damn, damn, and you just know that you can't just go back and you have to finish it. But it's always cool if you have the ability to go back and do it again. I normally get too lazy with that. Sometimes I like if I do something, I like get burnt out after doing it the first time, especially if I'm learning something. But it's good that you get excited and that you're able to just like give it a go. It's very nice, very nice. So what we'll do is we'll add a new blueprint and we'll kind of call it what do we call this? We'll call it sheets style. There we go. Okay, no, that's too mean. Let's not do that. Let's just call it bold. Did I spell that wrong? I did spell that wrong. Let's rename that. Okay. So what we need to do is we come over here, and I think we need to basically grab this shit, right? Bold, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I spelled it wrong. Okay, I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it. Don't worry. Oh, shit. I just realized the problem with this one. This is actually going to be difficult. Okay, yeah, we'll just no, no. It'll be too hard. It'll be too hard to no, like that like you it's funny at the start, but like once you're trying to actually like connect the whole different services up and you keep typing it the correct way and you keep messing it up, it causes issues. So unfortunately, for the sake of workflow, it needs to be spelled correctly. That being said though, how the fuck do we deal with the hair? Hmm. This is gonna be challenging. It's gonna be very challenging. How do we do this? Because we can't just send a flow, because if we turn off the hair and then someone activates this one, it's going to turn it back on. Huh. Huh. What am I thinking about? The pillager, yeah, yeah. How do we do this? Let's just copy this for now, bring it over here, paste, and we'll call this old. Let's just get disconnected, and we only want the hair, right? But the problem is, if we turn this on, it works, right? Oh no, it's got the texture here. Damn it. That sort of ruins it, doesn't it? Hmm. Sorry, I apologize. I didn't have time to mute myself. Think, how do we do this? Because we have a signal, it goes through, it goes here. But if it switches to Eichmann, it uses this to try disable it, but then it will just turn it back on. So that means the Eichmann will have two hairs, so that doesn't work. There's a conflict there. So how can we do it in a way where if the where it hides it, but it always hides it? It just doesn't work, does it? Damn it. Oh my God, multiple characters make it so hard. It makes it so hard. Yeah, I don't think I can do this in a single blueprint. I think I'd have to use a bunch of Boolean statements in order to like concept set the state and use a bunch of and ors and stuff. But that'd be really complicated to set up, and I don't really want to think right now because I've been awake for a long time. I've been awake for a while. I've been awake like T saw me when I woke up, and that was like what 3 a.m. for me, maybe. I don't know. Might be misremembering. No, I woke up a little before T went to sleep, and I saw you stream on midnight. Yeah, yeah. So I streamed, right? But um I was already awake. I woke up before that and I was watching Nexus's stream. And then after that I started streaming myself. And then after streaming I had to go get do the blood test and stuff. And then I came back and relaxed for a little bit. And then I started to stream now. So I haven't slept for a while. Yeah, I cannot think. I cannot think. I'm ranting. I'm ranting. Yeah. We'll have to do the board another time. Let's just set up simpler things for now. Let's just do different poses. Let's make this bigger and we'll do the full body. All right. Now we probably can't make what is it called? Redeems for every single pose. So we'll just have to pick the ones that we want the most. So what I'm thinking is I'll just go through some of the poses, and you guys can tell me afterward which one you like the most. And I'll just do like each person's favorite one. That way, you know, we don't have to do too many, but everyone gets something that they like. Yeah. Oops. I think that'll work. I think that'll work. Okay. So let's start going through. Close. Do you sing in the shower? Of course I sing in the shower. What? What? I'm the type of guy who does a karaoke stream. You think I don't fucking sing in the shower? Come on, cheat. Come on. Come on. What type of question is that? I think it's funny that T's one has longer shorts than the original. That I did, Jay, that I did. And I'll never do it again. And I'll never do it again. I was doing something. What was it? Fixing it up on the viewer so that people can see. Okay. Let's go through the poses. Tell me which one's your favorite pose to turn. It's funny. Yeah, yeah. I'll just make that on the Vini channel. I'll just make some lullabies, sing you, lullaby you to sleep content. That'll be my niche that I'll move into. ASMR lullaby content. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, let's go through the different poses. Where is it? Expressions? Not expressions. Where's the poses? Maybe it's an animation. Yeah, it must be this one. Okay, I'm just gonna make this smaller just so I can see the poses at the same time that I show it to you guys. Okay, let me probably fix up the thingy if I'm doing it like this. Okay, let's go through. So I'm gonna go through them, and if you like one, let me know which one you like. So we have this, the angry hands on waist, angry fist front, boyish right hand neck, brave hand on chest, calm hands behind back, calm hands front, the cat, classy, concerned, cry. You can only pick one cheat. You can only pick one. Everyone gets to pick one. Hands in front, cute stick out, leaning forward, deny, generic. Bro, where are the more cooler, less fucking flamboyant ones? Fed up slouching, fed up, generic, laugh, this thingy, that one, this one, this one, this one, that, this, this, and then this. And this is gonna take ages. I'm just gonna, we're just gonna keep going. Oh, we have some animated ones too. So if people want animated ones, we can do maybe some of them. And then some sitting ones too. This is disconnecting. That's not good. Did it actually reconnect? Okay, I'm gonna have to confirm that it's actually working. Let's go to YouTube first. Make sure this is working. Okay, YouTube is still behind, so I'll have to go to Twitch first. You guys are jumping the gun. Did it, did it actually reconnect? Why is it saying I'll get that it's actually working? Okay, I think it's still fine. I think I'm still here. I think so, at least. Okay, I think that's all of them. All right. Twitch is lagging earlier. Yeah, yeah, it said I disconnected. All right. So, final thing. I'm gonna take everyone's final thing as the one they actually want, and then I'll implement the one of each of which people want. Right, good sentence. Make words. Much say. All right. So there's gonna be a huge delay for YouTube probably, so I might have to wait a bit for Jen. You sounded more Australian without the mic. What do you mean without the mic? What? Without the mic? What do you mean without the mic? Varun. Okay. Cat dance. Is there a cat dance? Is this the cat dance? No, that's not a dance. Wait, what do you mean cat dance? Yeah, it's probably because I'm lagging or something. Okay, cat pose. Okay. So not T, I mean Cheat is doing the cat the 500-second delay. Why is there such a huge delay? Maybe you need to refresh your browser. That might help. Because I did just lag out, so that might have been causing it. Okay, so Cheat wants the let me just okay, I'll just do this one since that's the only person who said the thing after I gave it the cutoff. Oh wait, Jay said run, that's right. So run? Is this the one you mean, Jay? This run? It looks so awful. It looks so okay. Okay, so Cheat wants cat, Jay wants run. Jern, what do you want, Jern? Run is great. Okay. I mean like yo, Fumi, what's up? What's up? I am setting up some what is it called? Redeems for Twitch. So right now we're just setting up different redeems that people can do for the character pose. So Cheat wants the cat emote. Jay and Jern wants to run. And since you're here, is there any emote that you want to be part of the Twitch redeem? Use YouTube, so or do Dogza? Which one's Dogza? I think I saw that before. That's the one that's on the knees, right? Dog. Oh, this one. What the fuck? All right, do you want one or two? The one with the ass up or the one with the ass down? Yeah, so if we go to the two is better? Okay. Okay, okay. So let's get out of this. Let's show Fumi the ones that we currently have. You know what you must do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So if I go to Twitch, actually it makes more sense if I zoom in while we do it. So I'll go to the thing, we'll zoom in, and if we go to Twitch, and if I go to the redeems, if I do Anvil, did it work? Oh wait, mid redeem. There we go. There we go. So we got that one with the anvil. We have the Teto dance. Oh wait, you probably can't hear it because it's not being sent to YouTube. Let me do that one again, but I'll send it to YouTube this time. There we go. Then we have the Eichmann one. That's the model that T made. And I think that's everything that we've got set up so far. And now we're going to add different poses and stuff. So we'll zoom out so we can see the pose more. And we'll start setting up the thing. So I'll move this out. Actually, no, I can't move it out. I need to be able to see what I'm doing. So we'll go to blueprints. I'm gonna rename. Actually, I'll keep that as an empty one for now. Ye- Pretty much, pretty much. I mean, he wanted to make it have a lot more like cutesy look to it, and I was just telling him like, nah, nah, I don't really like that one. So he made a more mature looking one, even though it already still has the really big eyes and stuff. Like this is more mature than his original draft. Yeah, he calls it what did he call it? Eichmann. Eichmann. He says this is Eichmann version. So let me find. So we'll rename this one to what is the first one? The cat dance. So we'll just say cat pose. Come up here, grab the WebSocket. We have the WebSocket. What are we doing with the WebSocket? We are. Wait, what are we doing with the WebSocket? We're doing a redeem. And the redeem has to do what? It needs to set the animation. Set animation overlapping? That should work, I think. So we'll pick the close Eichmann model. We will. Oh, there's no animation there. Really? It doesn't work that way? Okay. I might have to do it as a layer. Wait, let me just make sure I'm actually showing this. Okay, yeah, I am. So we'll add them here. We'll do animation and we'll look up cat emote, enabled, masked, no, enabled off. Okay, that's one. Are these emotes pre-made for Vroid? I think so. They just come with Warudo. So if you have a Vroid character, they should work with it. Like 100% without any issue because I'm pretty sure it's sort of designed to work that way. But even different sort of things that aren't designed for it, you can still use. So is there something that I did for another character? Let me see. Whoops. Because if I go to, what if I use one of the mini ones? What does the mini ones do? So if we do the mini wrap one, yeah, yeah, yeah. So you can see like this is the mini animation. It's not looping, but at the mini animation I did for her wrapping one. And you can see I can still attach it. Obviously it's not perfect and there's a lot more clipping there would be and the legs are a bit off. But if you just set up the rig right. Okay, thank you, Jay. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And I can do other things. Sit. That doesn't work. What other ones are there? I guess it doesn't matter. Let's just go default. Let's go back to the layers. So we have the cat. We need to do the sit, right? No, not the sit. We need the run. Run. Wait, was it run or was it walk you wanted? Run is great. Wait, where was the run? Run. Okay. Masked off. There we go. The run. The run looks so stupid. I don't know why you guys like this one. It looks so ridiculous. Okay. Let's not enable that. And we'll come here and then we'll do the which one was it? What was it again? Dog. Dogs 2. Yup. Don't enable. Actually, we'll enable it just so we can make sure it works. Okay, that seems to be working. Enabled, no. Okay, cool. Now we can go to the blueprints and actually set this up. So we'll come to this one. Layer, cat, source. Wait, it can't be serious, can it? Hold up. If I hit this, what happens? Nothing. What? Oh my God, I have to do it again. What's the point of the layer if it doesn't even do anything? Oh wait, this still doesn't do anything. Uh-oh. Hold up. Wait, why did it disappear? Wait, did I fuck something up? Invalid. What? What's happening? Yeah, yeah, yeah. A lot of, I mean, animation's fun. I mean, it's definitely a lot more fun when you're using a lot of pre-made stuff and having to do it all from scratch. But if you were to do animation, I'd say maybe test out some of the motion capture stuff. Personally, I find it to be a lot more fun than doing just keyframed animation. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Keyframe fucking sucks, bro. It's not like maybe it's for some people, but not fucking for me. Not at all. No, I get that. I get how you feel about that one. Does this activate yet? It does. But bro, what is this transition time? Wait, how do I get out of this now? Um, how did I do it over here? Set character overlapping, and then play idle animation. Maybe I should just play idle animation? Maybe I shouldn't do it as an overlapping. If I just go to cat and I hit this, what happens? It does that. And then if I copy paste this and go to generic, it goes back. Oh yeah, I should just do it like that. Nah, fuck this layer shit. What am I doing? Why am I overcomplicating this? Why am I overcomplicating this? Oh, I did it for the other one because I needed to change the time because it wasn't fast enough. I see why I did it like that. I did a 150-second animation last year and it took at least 120 hours. Yeah, yeah, it definitely takes a long ass time. Like it like it took me ages to do like the little loop for the dancing character. What are they called? Vini? The Vini dance? That took me so long. I ended up just like speed running through the end of it because it was just taking too goddamn long. It was just taking too long. I was like, nope, nope, this is taking too long. I don't care if it looks bad. We just need to get it done. Okay, we probably need a delay here. Delay flow. Interesting. Hmm. Put this in like that. How much of a delay? We'll just do 7 seconds. I don't know why, but I've just been doing 7 seconds for everything. Might as well stick with it. And then we're going to call this cat. Actually, yeah, we'll go cat pose. Cat pose makes more sense. Let's go to Twitch now. We'll make a new reward. Cat pose. The amount will be 1. To color, we will make it brown. Create. Okay, now we have to go to, what is it called? The streamer bot. Add a new one, call it cat pose. We need to add a trigger. It will be Twitch, I think. Yeah, Twitch reward redemption. Go to cat pose. Okay. And then we'll just come over here, copy the sub action, come back to cat pose, paste it, come into the code, and we'll just change the action name to cat pose, save and compile. Okay, now we should be able to go back to Twitch, go to the redeem, cat pose, redeem. Let me check if it worked. Yeah, it looks like it worked. Okay, cool. That one's set up. That one's set up. Nice. Nice. Okay. All right, so that's one down. Let's add some other ones. Let's add the run. Rename this to run pose. Run pose. And I guess we just basically copy all of this. And then, I mean, do we really need this to be a bunch of different things? We probably don't. We could probably just keep, yeah, no, that's stupid. That's stupid. Let's rename this. We'll just call this, poses. We don't need a bunch of different blueprints. We can just have them be in one. This is too redundant. Too redundant. These all basically do the same thing. So we can just paste this, move it down, move it down, move it down. Change this to the run. Cool. Call this run pose. Might make this expand because it's taking up too much space right now. I think this one can stay the same, right? Yeah. So this is run pose. What is this one called? This one is called, what was it again? Run is great. Dog. Look up dog. Set this one. Call this dog pose. And then we need one more. And I'll pick this one for myself. I'll pick the one that I want. What do I want? Probably want an animation. I'll probably just pick a dance. Yeah, whatever. It's not showing me the dance, but whatever. It should be fine. The dance should be fine. And we'll just call this dance pose. Nice. So now that we got them set up, let's go back to Twitch and start making a bunch of these thingies. So we'll go to Twitch, add custom reward. What do we call this one? This is run pose. Cost will be 1. And the color will be brown. Because why not? The color of the character is brown, so we'll make it brown. Create. Add new one. Dog pose. Amount 1. Brown. Create. Add new. Dance pose. Amount 1. Make the color brown. Create. Okay, time to go to this one. Bro, there has to be a better way of doing this. There has to be a better way. I'll figure it out another time, but I'm too sleepy, honestly. There's probably a smarter way to just make a redeem that they can just type the name or something. But I don't know. Let's add so dog pose add run pose, add. Yeah, yeah. I am the shit, what's the quote? I am the damn it, no, the joke. What is the joke? I am the enlightened one? I don't remember. I am the honored one. Fuck. God. God damn it. I was close. I was close. Okay. Um, what I was doing, I was setting up the it was close. I was always close. Dance, pose, copy trigger. Oh wait, no, we can't copy the trigger because we have to use a different trigger. Okay. So we will add what? Twitch channel? No. Reward, redemption, come down. We want dance pose. Okay. Dog, add, Twitch, redemption, dog. Okay. Run, add, Twitch, redemption. Where is that? Here. And then run. Okay. And now we'll go to the cat one. Copy sub action, go to dance, paste sub action, go into it, change the action name to dance, save and compile, add. Oh wait, no, we can just paste sub action, go into here, dog, save and compile. Did I actually save and compile this one? I don't remember. And then we can go into run, paste sub action, run, save and compile. All right. And hopefully now this shit actually works. We will see. Anvil. Yeah, Anvil. The Anvil. Oh wait, Newtnod. Have you seen all the redemptions yet? I'm not sure if you have. I don't think you have. I'll go through. Actually, yeah, we'll go through them all now in order, because I think this might be the end of me doing these redemptions now for today. So we have, we have yes, we have the dog pose. Thank you, Jay. We have oh whoops. Yeah, Tetero won't work because I did the thing. Oh wait. I'll let you go through them, Jay, then. I'll let you go through. So that was a dance. Yeah. Oh, that's the Eichmann one. It changes the model to a different model. This is the one that T made. You can see it's a very that very very Eichmann-y. This is Freaky Face. It makes some adjustments. It makes an improvement to the face. Then we have this. Oh, that looks broken. That looks broken. That ain't right. That is the cat pose. Apparently, that's the one that Cheat wanted. Then we have the running one, which is you know, it looks ridiculous, but people liked it. Can you use the babyface one? I really don't want to use the babyface one. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't really like that one that much. That's the anvil. As you can see, it makes the other improvements to the head. Face is a little lopsided, but it's fine. Honestly, it's an improvement in some ways. Oh, it's back to normal now. And is that everything? Oh yeah, we haven't gone through this one. Yeah, I still need to add particle effects to that Teto dance one. I want that one to have like little pictures of Teto coming out as a particle effect, and I think that'd be really cool. But that one's gonna require a little bit more. But yeah, that's all of the things that we've done today. In the future, we need to do Teto, fix that one. We need to add the skeleton meme that Jay's always on about, the fucking shield bash one. And yeah, that's all the ideas that we have right now. If anyone has anything they want potentially to see as a redeem in the future, just chuck it in the chat, or if you think later on, chuck it into Discord. And yeah, I think for now I might actually go because I've been awake for a really long time and I need some sleep. So I am going to be heading off because yours truly needs to turn in for the day. Tonight you stream? No, no, unfortunately not, Jay. I'll probably be streaming really like probably midnight for you like last time. Or like even later than that, probably like 2 a.m. for you potentially. I'm sorry, but I haven't slept since like it's been a while. So I'll probably wake up in like if I go to sleep within an hour, then I'll probably stream 10 hours after that or something. You just made me. No, it's not that. Okay. You know what? Actually, for that anvil, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone. I hope you all have a good day. Sorry to the ones who showed up a little later, and I'm already ending it. I'll try to be better with the times, but we'll have to see. Can you add redeem that costs more, but lasts for longer? Yeah, I can do that one. All right. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Till next time.